Hi everyone, in this video we will solve 2 power m plus 4 power m plus 8 power m is equal to 39. We have to determine the value of m. Let's start the solution of this question. We are given 2 power m plus 4 power m plus 8 power m is equal to 39. We can write this as 2 power m plus 4 is basically 2 square whole power m, and 8 is 2 power 3 whole power m is equal to 39. Here we will use a formula that a power x whole power y is equal to a power y whole power x. So this equation now becomes 2 power m plus 2 power m whole square plus 2 power m whole cube is equal to 39. Subtract 39 on both sides, we get 2 power m plus 2 power m whole square plus 2 power m whole cube minus 39 is equal to 0. Now we will suppose that 2 power m is equal to k. So the question now becomes k plus k square plus k cube minus 39 is equal to 0. Then k plus k square plus k cube minus 39 can be written as 27 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. We will multiply the negative side inside the bracket. K plus k square plus k cube minus 27 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then k plus k square plus k cube minus 27 can be written as k cube minus 9 can be written as 3 square minus 3 as it is equal to 0. Now we will group together this k and minus 3 plus k square minus 3 square plus k cube minus 3 cube is equal to 0. It will be k minus 3 plus this is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b, that is k minus 3 times k plus 3 plus k cube minus 3 cube, this is a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So it will be k minus 3 k square plus 3 square is 9 and plus 3k is equal to 0. Now you can see that k minus 3, k minus 3, k minus 3 can be taken as a common, left with 1 plus k plus 3 plus k square plus 9 plus 3k is equal to 0. K minus 3 k square plus 1k plus 3k plus 4k plus 3 plus 9 is 12 and 1 is 13 is equal to 0. Now either this will be equal to 0, k minus 3 equal to 0, or this quadratic equation k square plus 4k plus 13 is equal to 0. First we will solve this case and then we will move to this one. This first case, k minus 3 equal to 0, add 3 on both sides, get the first value of k, which is plus 3. But we have supposed that k is equal to 2 power m. We have to calculate the value of m. So replace k by 2 power m is equal to 3. Now take the logarithm on both sides of the equation. We will apply the power rule of log here, that is log of x power y is equal to y times log of x. So this will be m times log of 2 is equal to log of 3. Divide log 2 on both sides. Log 2 cancel with log 2, you get m equals log of 3 divided by log of 2. Here we will use the quotient rule of log to get the final value of m, that is log of 3 with the base 2. This is the value of m from the first case. Now we will solve this quadratic equation, that is k square plus 4k plus 13 is equal to 0. So it is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By comparing, get a equal 1, b equals 4, c equals 13. We will use the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By putting the values, we get the value of k, that is minus 4 plus minus b square, 4 square is 16, minus 4 into 13 divided by 2a. a is 1, so k will be equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 52 divided by 2. So k will be equal to minus 4 plus minus k root of minus 36 divided by 2. We can write this as k equal minus 4 plus minus k root of 36 square root of minus 100 by 2. Now k will be equal to minus 4 plus minus k root of 36 is 6 iota divided by 2 divided by 2. So k will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. But this is not a real solution, so we will reject this. So the only value of m is log of 3 with the base 2 is correct. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.